लोकसभा ले चलते हैं, जहां लगातार प्रदर्शन हंगामा हो रहा है। सीधी तस्वीरें दिल्ली से।
सदन की कार्रवाई आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
Make the statement regarding status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 26th report of the Standing Committee on Rural Development and Panchayati Raj pertaining to demand for grants 2026 and 27 in respect of Department of Land Resources, Ministry of Rural Development, as mentioned before my name at serial number 3, sub 2 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Through Dr. L. Murugan ji.
Respected Chairman sir, with your kind permission, I rise to make a statement regarding status of implementation of the recommendations contained in the 22nd report, 18 Lok Sabha of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Communication and Information Technology on review of mechanism to curb fake news pertaining to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Thank you.
Statement regarding government business through Dr. L. Murugan ji.
Respected Chairman sir, with your kind permission, I rise to announce that the government business during the week commencing from Monday, the 3rd August 2026 will consist of, number 1, consideration of any items of government business carried over from today's order paper. It contains consideration and passing of the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development Amendment Bill 2026. Number 2, consideration and return of the Supreme Court number of judges Amendment Bill 2026 after it is considered and passed by Lok Sabha. Number 3, consideration and passing of the registration of births and deaths Amendment Bill 2026 after it is considered and passed by Lok Sabha. Number 4, consideration and passing of the following bills after they are introduced, considered and passed by the Lok Sabha. Number 1, the Indian Statistical Institute Bill 2026 and the Bankers Books Evidence Bill 2026. Number 5, consideration and return of the appropriation bill relating to demands for excess grants for the year 2022-23 after it is introduced, considered and passed by Lok Sabha. Thank you.
Now matters rise with permission. Shriman Mahendra Bhatt. What yesterday I have allowed you. I know that you are not on a valid point of order. Still I allowed you to speak. After speaking you are going out. You are in the emergency mood still today. That you want everybody to listen, but you don't want to listen to anyone. That is not correct. This is dictatorship oriented. This is not. You don't want to value the democratic values. You also must listen to others, na? I am going to call. I am going to. Every time I am yielding to LOB, but you are not listening to others. Is it correct? That will not strengthen the democracy of our country. You must understand that. Shriman Mahendra Bhatt ji.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आज इस सदन के माध्यम से एक अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण विषय को उठाना चाहता हूं, जो केवल एक प्रशासनिक प्रक्रिया नहीं बल्कि उत्तराखंड के भविष्य, उसकी पहचान और उसके समग्र विकास से जुड़ा हुआ विषय है। महोदय, वर्ष 2027 में होने वाली जनगणना को हम सभी जानते हैं कि यह देश की नीतियों, योजनाओं, समाज संसाधनों के वितरण का आधार बनाती है। लेकिन विशेष रूप से यह आग्रह करना चाहता हूँ कि उत्तराखंड जैसे प्रत्येक राज्य में जनगणना को पारंपरिक तरीके से नहीं बल्कि अपनी गणना अपना गांव जैसे जन भागीदारी आधारित अभियान के रूप में संचालित किया जाए। महोदय, उत्तराखंड की भौगोलिक और सामाजिक परिस्थितियां देश के अन्य राज्यों से बिल्कुल भिन्न है। दुर्गम पर्वतीय क्षेत्र में तेजी से हो रहे पलायन से आज कई गाँव का अस्तित्व संकट में आ गया है। सीमांत क्षेत्र में जनसंख्या का असंतुलन।
तो लोकसभा राज्यसभा की कार्रवाई चल रही थी, लेकिन लोकसभा की कार्रवाई को 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित कर दिया गया क्योंकि लगातार हंगामेदार स्थितियां बनी है।